How to log in CVS employee account online. Welcome to our guide on accessing the CVS employee online account. CVS offers a comprehensive online platform for its employee, providing access to various HR benefits, healthcare, information, and many more. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to log into your CVS employee account and access all the resources available to you. For this, firstly open your default web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type login CVS employee account and hit enter. Tap on the official link provided by CVS to access the official web page. On the login page, you'll find options related to HR benefits, healthcare, and other employee resources. Look for the section where you can enter your password and personal access number (PAN). If you want the browser to remember your password for future logins, you can check right on Remember Password option. If you have forgotten your password or PAN, you'll need to find options to reset them on the page. Once you have entered your PAN and password, you will find options to reset them on the page. And if you are a new employee, then you'll need to register online. Look for the Register Online button and tap on it. During the registration process, you will be prompted to input your personal information, agree to the terms and conditions, and create user credentials. And this was everything about logging into your CVS employee online account.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.